Yeah.
Wild. Huh? Pretty cool.
Hmm. It is cool.
Are you taking a video?
Yeah.
Let me see this without dropping it. Come over here, you. Let me follow Josie around for a minute. Trouble the onion. I don't look too much at your butt. Look at the views, little one. Come over this way. I get you through the. I go through the window. You stay right there. Hello. Oh, hello. No, you come over here. Right there. Now give me a view. Not your butt. Turn around. Hi. Very nice.
And then I put... Huh? Saan? That one? Oh. Before maybe. Oh, it's a building. Oh.
It's just part of
It's
the
a
ground.
city before, babe. Yeah.
Little village.
Maybe it's a resort before, maybe.
Before it got it raised.
Yeah, you have a city over here, maybe. And then a resort. What the?
Yeah, I was wondering. It all looks. Yeah. I stopped, I was just like,
Okay. You say hi.
hi, look at the beautiful views. Welcome. They don't tell you that you have to walk up like 8 miles to get here.
What is this place, babe?
Tagaytay.
Yeah, it's very good.
Up above Taal.
Taal. Taal is here. We've been on Taal.
Pretty awesome up here. How's your legs, Dennis? Good, now that we stopped. Let's go, Joe.